precision. That's what you get from a Dahle Professional Rolling Trimmer. Whether you're a professional photographer or just have a critical eye for detail, the Professional Series Trimmer will exceed even your most serious demands for accuracy. These German-engineered trimmers can cut up to 20 sheets at a time and feature a self-sharpening cutting system. No need to worry about replacing dull or worn blades. This system sharpens as you cut to maintain a perfectly honed edge. This precision graduated edge will remove even the tiniest sliver of paper and produce a clean, burr-free cut each and every time. Holding your work securely is no longer necessary with the integrated automatic clamp. It provides even pressure and prevents your work from shifting. For durability, a sturdy metal base provides a solid foundation. It's designed to hold up to rigorous activity day in and day out. For measuring, this base contains carefully screened guides and an adjustable backstop, which is the easiest way to ensure consistent accuracy during repetitive cutting. With 5 sizes to choose from, Dahle Professional Rolling Trimmers provide unparalleled accuracy for all your cutting needs. So, when it's time to put the finishing touch on your next project, why trust your reputation with anything less than a Dahle? Dahle Rolling Trimmers, exceeding even the most serious demands for accuracy.